Good morning, friends. My name is Haman. Yesterday we completed 10 examples, okay, using Java SQL features. So now we are going to continue that part only in this also. Okay, give me a second. So these are the very, very important questions. Okay, these are these questions are mostly most widely used questions. So now I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So till study sessions, we have completed 10 examples. So now you are moving ahead with 11th one. Okay. We got all these examples, right? Given a list of integers, separate odd and even numbers. And after that, how do you remove duplicate elements from a list of using Java 8 string? How do you find frequency of each character in a string using Java 8 string? How do you find frequency of each element in an array of list? How do you sort the given list of decimals in reverse order? So, given a list of strings, join the string with as a prefix, suffix, and delimiter. From the given list of integers, print the number which are multiple of 5. Given list of integers, find maximum and minimum of those numbers. So the next question is 11th one, right? How do you get three maximum numbers and three minimum numbers from the given list of integers? Oh my. How do you get three maximum and three minimum numbers from the given list of integers? Given list of integers. Yes. This is the 11th question. So in this, what we are going to do, right? First of all, what we will take? We will take the same array list of integers we have, right? So we will take that one only. Initially, which one you have taken. So first, I will find three minimum numbers. Is south. Minimum three numbers. So for that, we need to write string function, right? So here list of integer list, right? We have integer list. Initially, which one you use, right? That one only I'm here using, and I'll apply the stream. So after applying stream, what I will use? So we need three minimum numbers. Right now I'm printing minimum three number. So for that reason, I need to what I need to do. I need to do. I need to sort this one, right? This integer list I need to sort. I will sort this integer list, right? So after sorting, it will give me values in ascending order from lower values to higher values. So for that, I need only three numbers. Okay. So already is in sorted. So I will use there is one method. Okay. That is nothing but this one. Limit inside that we need to provide a max size. So we need first three. right? So that's why I am providing this one. So after that, what I will do, I will use for each to print that one. System dot out colon print alien. This is our first one. Okay, this will print that one, and after that, what I will do for printing first mm, max one, right? And I know you will know, right? This is the minimum and the maximum. So here is the only one thing I need to change that everyone know. I'll use the same one and it is stream sorted. Right? Inside that we need to provide that comparator dot reverse order. Right? If I give reverse order, then it will reverse the sorted, right? Sorted list. So you are able to get the higher values, right? So I'm going to print those one. So I will run this one. These are maximum three numbers and these are minimum three numbers. This is how it is printed. This one L1, right? Oh my god. This is L1 one. And after that else one, right? I will move little bit fast, right? Now tell one. The question is nothing but Java using Java 8 program to check two strings are or anagram anagrams or not. Right? This is a question. So first of all, for this we need two strings, right? String S1 is equal to I'll take race car and after that string S2 is equal to car race. This is also very important. So this is race. Okay. So we are going to find out these are anagrams or not. So anagrams means what? Anagrams means the both the strings are contains same word, right? Like that. So here we are checking how we will check that one. So what I will do, I will first we need to convert it, right? Because they are having lower alphabets and sorry, higher alphabets and capital ones and other ones. So we need to, if you want to check both strings are consist the similar one, right? So this will be basically it will use if you want to use equals, right? So that time you need to be the content need to be should be same, right? So for that reason, you need to convert these strings to uppercase or lowercase if you want to get the answer, right? So for that, what we will do, you will first need to on the stream class s1 is equal to stream dot of we need to what we need to do. For this, we need to first of all split it, right? S1 dot split. S1 dot split inside. We need to use that Regate means what we are doing, we are splitting by space. After that, we need to convert it, right? Because these are mixed right now, means lowercase and uppercase. But for comparing, what we need to do, we need to convert those to maybe in uppercase or lowercase. Okay, so now, right now I'm doing with the uppercase, and after that, collect, collect, collect dot joining. This one you know, right? Join. That's it. This I did this one for yes one, right? Now I'll print same, right? For S2. I will show you the upper limit and lower, oh sorry, up to uppercase and to lowercase method, right? So after that, what I will do? If use if condition. If S1 dot equals, if you use equals method, then it will compare the content, not an reference. Okay, when we use this equals to, right, then that time it will check content. Understand that? If it is that, then what we can say, two strings are anargams. Then means yes sir, two strings are not anargams, right? This is our this is our tails one, right? Yes, tail. First of all, you can see with the uppercase, right? It need to be give a correct answer. Okay, I will rerun this. Two strings are not what I find. Tell me what I find. What happened? Two strings are something I'm missing. Something I am missing. Sorry, we have missed that one. What we missed, right? Actually, we need to sort, right? We are just converting to uppercase, but these are not in not at same index positions, right? Currently, see here is R is here is C. Then that the content is not same for particular index. So for that reason, we need to sort it. Sorry, in a hurry, I did that mistake. No need to worry. Wait, sort it. Here also we need to write sort it. U dot. Now it will need to be what as it's because see we are missed that sorted, so that's why it's not giving correct. Two strings are anarchans. If here I'll use n, then see what happens. No, because n is not in the first string, right? Two strings are not anarchans. This is how we will see. Here I need and if Here you will use two lowercase actually, two lowercase. Yes, it needs to be worked as a questions on grams. Okay. This is the 12th question. After that, we are going with the 13th one. 13th question is nothing but find the sum of all digits of a number in a Java 8. Find a sum of all digit digits of a number in Java 8. This is the 13th question. So for that, what we will do, we will take one int of I here 15623. This is our integer, right? Sorry, this is our integer. So what we need here, we need sum of digits, right? Sum of each digit. So for that, what we need to basically we are getting here integer. At the end, we will get integer sum of digits, right? So very very simple program is right using the string, right? So for that, what we will do first of all, we need to split those numbers, right? Using string dot of string dot value of I. After that, what we need to do? We need to split it, right? We need to split it, right? String dot of string dot value of I and split. First of all, we are taking one, okay? Means here value of I. We are taking value of I, and after that, what we will do? We will need to split it one by one. Okay. So then we will what we need to do? Collect collectors dot oh my God, summing in because we are summing here in then integer colon colon parse in. This is how we will do in dot string dot value of I and after that splitting that one that is a rejects and collect collectors dot summing in integer parse in like height given. Then what we'll do, we will print see what happens. Okay, sum of digits string value of Satra. You got Satra, right? 1 plus 5 was 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus this 5, 17. Right? We got the correct output. So this is how we will solve. This is a very tricky question, right? We think this is a very simple one, but this is a very tricky question. So after that, 14th one is nothing but find second largest number in an integer array. Find second second largest number in an integer array. You already have our integer list, right? So on that only, what we are doing, we are going to do second largest. This is the correct one. Not. We don't use number. After that, we can use second. You can use like this, but don't start with like, right? So we have learned in the how to declare a variables in that only, right? Second largest. This is a very simple. Yeah. These are the very simple questions. Integer list. Of string. Second largest number in an integer array. Okay. How you will do? Then after that, what you will use? You will use sorted. It's sorted, and you need to skip first dot. But another thing is that if you use sorted, right, this will sort in a natural order. So we will get second lower number. So for that reason, we need to provide here reverse order, comparator dot reverse order. Then it will give from higher to lower. Skip one, find first, last, and get. Then print. Then print second largest. This is how you will print. If you don't use find first, what happens? Okay, here I will give yes or some breakpoint, right? Largest. Okay. So here I use find first. I want to remove this one because I don't like. So what it will print we will see, right? No, we are not able to use get. No candidates found from method call into list of string. Sorted. Lastly get, right? I will run. What exception it will throw. You will see. Cannot find symbol method get. Means we are not able to apply get directly on the this one. Here I will use find any. Then which one it will give that one also we see. Come on. It is one only. It's giving find any get one. Okay. If you use find first also it will give only this one. Right. This is the second largest number from a array list. If you don't know the array list, this is our array list. The first one is 95 hash one. Second one is 87. So we have completed 14 question. Now 15. What is the 15th question? Given a list of array, given a list of strings, sort them according to increasing order of their length. Right? This is a question. They were provided a list, right? On the string one, we will use this one only. Which one? This one. Okay, this one. I'll add some other values as well. We'll make it as Mumbai, Kolkata, right? This is our list, right? We are here, we are going to take, means what we are going, you are printing those according to their length. So directly I will apply the stream concept on the string list dot to after that stream dot. We need to use sorted, sorted on the basis of what we are comparing. Comparator, inside comparator, comparator dot comparing by comparing, inside that we will use on the basis of string, right? We are comparing length. So we are using means we are printing based on the length of those things, right? Those strings. After that, I will use for each directly. For each system dot in ln. So we will print. This is very these are the very simple, right? How easily we can solve this program. That's why Java 8 features. Knowing Java 8 features is a very important. C. C has Java, Python, Mumbai, Kotlin, Kolkata. According to their plan, you have printed, right? After that, the 16th one, given an integer array, finds sum and average of all elements. So here one int is there. New int, we will initialize it 45 till P6 in 24. We will take some of the value, random values, right? 31, 89. These are integer, which that is one already taken, right? Initially, yeah. While merging two integer array, we have took that one, right? So here we need the first one, sum and average, right? Printing sum and average. First one, we will print sum. These are the very simple one, but these are pre-casual. And dot string of a a okay, and after that sum. This will give sum. That in average is equal to average dot prim a or average average get as a double, get as a double. Mm, 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 oh bloody, oh bloody, we are taking here us. double. And after that, we are printing that one. This is how simple 16 right? See, 347. Sum is 347 and the average is 43.375 because see, we are not taking integer here because if we are taking average, we need to sum all those number and divide by number of elements, right? So for that reason, when we are dividing that number with the number of element, then that time it will come in a double, right, in the decimal values as well. So for that reason, when I have kept here integer, so it's giving error. So for that reason, we need to use double. This is the 16th one. Now 17th one. How do you find common elements between two arrays? It will get two lists, right? We are going to find out common elements between two arrays. List of integer, list one, list one, arrays dot as list. So that we need to use 71, 21, 30, 34, 89. Some of the random hellos and 28. Like that, I have took a random address. And another one list of integer. Oh my god. Oh my god. List 2 is equal to array dot as a list. Here I will use tell 56, 17, 17, 21, 94, 34. Right? So this is a very simple one. So here I will add yes out punch. So now what we are going to print only those common elements between two arrays. Okay, we are printing the common element between these two. So for that list one dot stream, right? After that we need to filter it out, right? Oh my god, filter inside that list two to column contains. This is the starting method, right? So after that I will use for each to print system dot out print ln. I will print the how to find common elements. What are the common elements between those? Those only printed here, right? See, this is how much easier question. This 21, 34, 56. These are the common elements. List one stream, I did list one stream filtering. I applied the condition list two contains means inside this list whatever values are contains, right? Those only we are here printed, right? The 18th question. We need to move fast. Reverse each word of a string using Java 8 string. Among we need to reverse each of string using Java 8, right? The string is str equals to I love my India. Love my India. I want to reverse this thing, right? So if you want to reverse these things, first of all, what we need to do, we need to split this tree, right? After splitting, we need to, how you need to split based on that space. So what it will do, it will give the object, right? Means I is a separate object, or love is a separate object, my is separate object, and India is separate object. So for that, after that, what we need to do, we need to apply reverse method from string buffer, right? So what I will do, I will take string reversed string, string arrays dot string, string dot, as I mentioned, we need to split it based on that space, right? And after that, we need to give dot map one new string buffer, string buffer. Inside that, I use once. And reverse it. And at the end, collect. Oh my god, this intelligence is very dangerous. Huh? Automatically, it's understanding what exactly I'm going to do. Right? I just given the collect and enter. That is taken that joining method as well automatically. This is a very bad man. Yes, out reverse string. I love my India. First, this string. I will run this one. So how it will be. My India. Each word, na? Each word. Reverse each word of a string. What it did? Reverse each word. Say hi. I is as it is. So here I will use I L. Then you will see L and no. Wait. M. I am Loma India. Then you will able to understand what here the word is reverse. See M and I. If I kept I only, then what here it is reverse. You are not fool like me, because they will understand means why I is I only. This is how the 18th one is completed. Now 19th one. Ooh. How do you find some first 10 seconds? How do you find some of FIRST numbers in term of, right? Yes, this is a very very simple one. Int string dot range 1 comma 11 dot. So that's it. Yes, sir. Someone. Wait a minute. Return a sequential order in string from start inclusive, inclusive, and end inclusive. Okay, by an increment step of one. Here means the range in string range what it will start inclusive and end exclusive. If is currently I have specified 1 and 11, so it will take 1, but it will exclude 11. Like that, it will work. A sequential instance for the range of ints. So inside the int string there is a sum method. So it will first it will take 1 to 10, and after that it will sum it. So that will print like that only. So sum of first 10 integers, natural numbers. So do you know what is the 55? When we are in our engineering at that time, or during the quantitative aptitude, we all are aware what is this sum of first 10 numbers, 20 numbers, and 30 numbers. Up to 30 numbers, maybe we are aware because during solving the quantitative aptitude questions, that time we studied these things. This is 21. Reverse an integer array. So for that we need an array. Int array. I mean, right. I'll initialize here only. Give me a second. Yes. Now I am done. 5, 1, 7, 3, 9, 6. These are value. So what it will do? Oh, what it will do? We need to reverse, right? This integer array we need to reverse it. No, no. Int string dot range closed. Here we need to mention start to array dot length. So it will take the last one, right? After the what will do? Map it. This is not map. I of array inside array dot length minus I, and at the end to array. Oh, 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 Marina, Dina, Marina, Dina. Uh, oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Int of reverse array, int string, range close, include 1 comma array dot length. After that, I have to map where what I'm doing. I am I am doing something. I am missing of array array dot length minus I to array. What is this issue here? Variable I is already defined in the scope. Okay. I'll use I another I. This is correct. right? I'm also thinking what it, if I should it giving me the error. Sometimes because you confuse because yesterday we have covered lots of example using I, so that's why it's that is compiler is also confused and I am more confused. So yes, so reversed array. Control C. Yes, so this is like the 20 question we have completed. Illegal. Why man? Why you want to disturb my code, my flow? Mhm. Array index out of bound exception. Where it is? Main 159 line. Array index out of bound. Change downstream to array dot length map I is array dot length one man. What did I show? What is the issue? We need to solve it. Uh, 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 uh. We need to solve it. You. I need to connect my charger. Give me a minute. Yeah, I connected my charger, right? So if I will is here zero, right? So we'll see what happens. Index around index. This is very simple. We need to analyze it. Zero array dot length map I array of array length. Something I am missing. Array length. Here we need to provide -1 as well. I missed that one. Huh? Here I missed. Why I missed? That thing we need to check. Now we need to work as expected. See? Hmm? Oh yeah, reverse and reversed array in string range range. I'll use range here. I'm not happy with this, right? Then I lose range. Amount. Still it's even same only. Interesting range you ordered on the map. This. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hanta. Hey, Hanmanta. You are not. Sorry, yaar. In a hurry, I have did this mistake, right? We need to use this thing also. Yesterday only I mentioned like that, but I'm not following today. This is how I work. Yesterday only while if you want to print right now, I will show you that one actually. See, this array dot toasting like this, right? But I'm directly printing this reverse matrix. How it can be printed correctly? So we will check once what is happening here. So it's yeah, this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. And just a minute, I'm just thinking what exactly happening here. How I'm missing the things here. Oh, Malina, Diname, what is the issue? Give me a minute. So here I was young, so I'll make it as young. Let's see what happens. Something I'm missing. Let's see once. Okay, work as expected. See, initially I have given here I am and here I'm using I. So like that only I have missed something. So what is I am missing? You just explain me in a comment. I will revisit it and we'll see. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow in the next video we will see another 10 questions. Okay. That's it for today's session. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please stay in touch. Please subscribe my channel.